Yeah, today we're gonna have fun with these bikes. Brand new Kawasaki 450 2018 dirt bikes. And by the way, Juha bought this bike. This bike is Juha's brand new. And Juha have these awesome Pro Circuit full extras. And then we had these new gears thanks to Allride. And by the way, Allride is our oldest sponsor so far. So thanks to Allride, I had this awesome fly helmet. And also we have new pants and new shirt and stuff like that. Thanks to Allride. So finally you have new bike.
Finally, yeah.
How does it feel now? Own a brand new Kawasaki 450.
Oh, feels so good.
Look how happy he is. Oh my
Brand
god.
new bike. First time in my life.
Yeah, that's true. First time. New bike. Do you guys hear that? Oh man! We are soon pretty wet. Okay, it's your time to shine, man! With your brand new Kawa. Oh! Come on! Woo! Supercross guys are like superhuman, guys. This thing is just insane. Look, second gear. Like that. Are you fucking serious? And there's like 5 gears.
You can see this battle in a man, a fight to the finish, we can walk to the end if we like. Cause you and them see that time's not a thing here when you've been blessed, been born to the last. See me, I got something of a plan on the 4K image, you can see me spitting bars on the mic. I always go hard, so you better go home, cause I heard you saying that I'm wrong when I'm right. You see the flash of the lights, see the thing in the bell, for the bright from the gun and I'm gone. You best believe that I know where I'm from, see the man, them already know that it's on. We all know the hard work pays off, everybody stays on. No one in my team is ever fucking the days off. Furthermore, the whole team chilling. I know that I won't be here to be sad at the end, that we can do it for real life. When I'm kicking the ball like Beckham is bending.
Just fucking insane. Like insane. So much power on the low revs and there's like explosion on the high revs. Yeah, like that. It's good.
It's good. It's lighter, more power. It's good.
Yeah. The gearing is a little bit too long.
Yeah.
For us, but maybe pro guys who ride on big motocross tracks like it, but it's too long for us. But it's cheap and easy to change that. But anyway, good and decent dirt bike.
Really good. Best.
Juha is a Kawasaki lover. Yeah, thanks for watching. Very awesome, very fast.